dwells in the acres of Kitchenette dawn, bleak and insistent, finds me down here in the solitude. A silver fishing, I listen through the line. A clock face, it intones of the fate of new lovers in dreary embrace, and I feel the cold of God on my nape as he breathes and he covers the dream of the years gone. Oh, now, this time, daylight touches and moves on. Everything leaving me like a spool, pulled into bundles, reeking beside me as amber tight walls, they whisper and mumble, they call me down to the solitude. They hush to listen to my last reputations living. Oh, a shape, well it grows opaque with no colour. It encircles and gapes, and I feel the cold of God